Hi. Welcome back, my people. Welcome to the next video. We are back with another video with the Golf R. Today we're doing a POV freaking drive. I don't know, just gonna... Last video, y'all didn't get to see too much of, you know, how raw the Golf R is now with the pops and bangs and stage 2, blase, blase, blase. Also got my first dub with the Golf R the other night. It was a tuned, I guess, full exhaust. Not probably one. I don't know if it was full exhaust, but catback 230i. Obviously not that crazy, but I still got him. Fucking walked him. Excuse me. Sorry. That wasn't nice. Sorry. But yeah, we're gonna go into POV. It's freezing cold. I'm gonna actually turn the heat on because it's kind of cold outside. It is 37 degrees and it's snowing tomorrow. I am just getting off work and I need food, and we're going to go a little far, I guess. I don't know what I'm really going to do. I want to get us some POV drive and also some pops and bangs, and yeah, we're just going to go crazy. I already went 120 kilometers an hour this morning. Not really on purpose. I just looked down like, oh, okay. You know, when he that should just be happening sometime. But enough talking. You know, I'm sorry. Love to talk. Gonna drive. Yeah, let's go. It's been a minute since we've been driving, guys. Last video was in the shop. Had to do an oil change and tire rotation. And then, of course, after that, I actually had to come back and balance the tires because they were trash. Which right now they're still like, eh. But balance the tires, balance the wheels. I don't know, I'm just waiting to get new wheels soon. I don't know if it's honestly the tires or the fucking subframe, which, I mean, the cradle subframe, whatever it is. Because, not gonna lie though, still making the same, like, that's kind of worse with this wheel in the front. Who knows, maybe more than one of my wheels are freaking bent. Obviously, I don't want to think it's bent because the tire balance machine, I wasn't, like, chasing weights or, like, putting mad weights on, so it's probably not bent. But maybe it's the tires, who knows, maybe it might just be. I still did not check data. I was supposed to check data of the tires today, and I still did not check the data of the freaking tires. Because it might literally just be the tires. I mean, this car was sitting at auction, like, well, auction, dealership, back to auction, another dealership, so it's like, it's been, like, not really been driven, so maybe, I don't know, maybe the tire, or not only that, maybe the tire just has a flat spot from sitting, you know, I really don't know. This car was sitting for a little while before I actually ended up buying it, so, yeah. And it is confirmed, a new build is coming to the channel. It's one of two choices, which I will not say, you guys will see once it happens. It's not really gonna be nothing crazy no matter which one I get. It's gonna be like a, you know, it's gonna be a clean daily build. That's really all it's gonna be. Like, I'm not planning to do nothing crazy with them. Of course, no matter which one I do, it's gonna get downpipe tuned. Well, one of them will get downpipe tuned. The other one will get something else tuned, which I can't release unless you guys know exactly what car it is, because obviously me, it's gonna be German. So that's the only hint y'all get. Alright, let's give me a little. That quick. I hope you guys can't hear the tires. I don't know, they gotta get in worse every freaking day. That and one of them got a freaking nail in them too. It's like, oh my gosh. So annoying. I say make sure you guys can actually hear. See, it's always some like people going fast, of course, but it's always a fucking Altima or some slow ass BMW. Hey, I'm not saying BMWs are slow. I'm just saying, you know, it's a slow model that's trying to go fast, like a 30. It's always a 30i, always a 30i or a 28i. Nothing crazy. Why you do this to me? That's why every time I record this traffic, it's never traffic on my way home. Ever. Oh my gosh. Alright, little turnaround, boys. See if this STI wants to run it. We ain't gonna really have no space. He just got it too. Yeah, go ahead and get your new car. Time to get gapped. Yeah, I think so. Get your new car. It's time to get gapped. I think that's what's about to happen. We gotta do it before we get to the police station though. Yo, this Civic bugging, yo. Like, what's good with you? He probably is annoying of my pops and bangs at this point in time. He's been behind me this whole time, bro. Alright, bro. You want 4C1 AM? Bet. Bro, I'll run you from 4th and still win. You aren't? Give me that gap. Yeah, bro, if we had space, I would have dogged him. Simple as that, bro. If we had space, I would have dogged him. Cause if we had space up top, I would have been cooking. Cause you saw I started to pull too. Freaking dead. That's funny. Yo, what's this Civic doing about next to me? That's funny. I was trying to get that S5, bro. Trying to get that S5 to run it. You're not turning, right? Alright. Go ahead. Come on, hurry up. My jaw's squeaking. Alright, yeah, cop one up there. Nah, I do love the little bird bus, bro. I'm trying to be hidden, not gonna lie. Oh, they messed up my drag strip. Damn. little thing be hitting on the back roads, my guy. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. It's crazy because it gets so much louder when the windows are down, bro. It's crazy. Oops, not me do that. I'm telling you, it's always the little 28 eyes that be trying to go crazy. I'm telling you. Y'all be getting some stuff, I tell you. I'll tell you one thing, this thing sounding good right now. She's sounding good right now. I've been being on this junk for the past like hour, bruh. Gonna lie. Hope y'all can hear like the turbo flutter in between gears. It sounds so fire. It beats like feel me? Oh my gosh, those little burbles down low, if you're below 3K, sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so good. Little X3M pre-LCI in the cut. Feels you, I feels you. I wonder how much they are. They're pre-LCIs now. So I don't know, I like having very nice like nice quality look. Alright, see if we can get trash control to come on. Probably not. Oh, I feel bad for my neighbors. Alright, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you guys, I'm pretty sure you can see me. It's the iPhone camera. I'm not even gonna turn the light on. You guys could definitely probably see me. You know what? Just in case you guys can't. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Next, actually no, because I forgot. I'm a week ahead on videos, so which I'm trying to make sure I keep doing that, same week ahead. Next video is actually the new car review. I'm hyped. I hope y'all are hyped too, bro. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait to show y'all, man. Because not only one, it's gonna be some brand new content coming onto the channel. Because I mean, of course, with every new car you get, you know, you gotta do some stuff to it. So, I'm definitely waiting on that. I cannot wait to show y'all what car it is. Excuse me. I have a feeling I know which one I'm gonna definitely get. Like I said, I have two options, but I'm kind of going towards other options because of, you know, of what I want. So, just know it's a big body. Either one I get, it's going to be a bigger body than this. But just know, if I get the other one, it's going to be a big body. yeah, man, I cannot wait till the next video. I'm waiting till the next video. I hope y'all can't wait till the next video, cause bruh, new car gonna be lit. New car on the channel. More freaking we gonna be in a shop a little bit too with the new car, cause we gotta do some stuff to it. Man, listen, I'm waiting on it, bro. I hope y'all ready. I hope y'all ready. I'm hyped. So, yeah, man. Next video, new car review. Gonna be lit. Hope y'all enjoy it. Remember, always stay safe. See you guys in the next one.